Hello everyone! Sorry if I wasn't around for quite some times. Today's video, we're going to see a friend. She's also a Kiwi Filipina. So we've been planning for this quite some times because of the COVID situation. Now is a long overdue. We are going there for a lunch, and of course because we are Filipino and we're missing home, kakain kami sa Filipino BBQ House. And guess what? I'm going to drink a Red Horse today. So this face, we'll see what it's gonna look like later. And because he is a driver, I don't think he will drink, but he will have at least a sip. So you can try what Red Horse tastes like. Okay, honey? You promise?
What's that? It's a Filipino beer?
Yes.
The strong one?
Yeah.
It's like water for chicks.
Okay, we'll see about that. Anyway, so how long? How far?
44 minutes.
Pardon?
44 minutes.
44 minutes to get there. So we need to be there at 12:30 for lunch. So yeah, I'm excited. Do you like my lippy today? He's laughing because of my early trial.
You should have seen her how she was struggling.
My makeup, I don't have a talent. And the weather is not good. It's really sad day.
Don't. Swimming, so it's okay.
Anyway, it would have been nicer if it's like this, 20 degrees and not cloudy. Complaining. Okay.
Chinese now.
Yes. Yeah.
I look like a surgeon.
We all that. All right, let's go. First, we need to find it.
Guys, we need your kidney. Yeah.
Yeah. I hope it's nice because we come here all the way from west to north. Is it north, honey?
It's southeast.
Southeast.
Check in Filipino.
Yes?
Check in Filipino.
Oh, vlogging.
Huh? Go.
Oh my god, you're making videos. I don't want it.
This one is lang namin yung ibang.
Dito, honey. Now he's using a spoon instead of knife. Honey, this is sisig, right? Yeah. After 2 bottles of red horse, I'm like this.
Little bit drunk.
Little bit. I love you. Where am I going?
You're behind the corner. And that's me. I'm driver. I'm sober. I can't drink. I love coffee.
Are you complaining? I'm a driver. I can't drink. Guess what I have here? What's wrong, honey? Why are you so handsome? He is sober.
My natural.
Yeah. And that's why you are my husband. Drunk, not sober. I'm in between.
Well, saying drunk person.
Well, I have some red horse here, and we'll see. Right, honey? Why you're so handsome?
My naturality.
After long hours. How long, honey? We're here since 12:30 and now is 10 to 8. And we're on the way home.
On the way home.
Lipstick check.
Oh, it's taste.
How's your day?
It was good. No, it was nice. It was nice. Finally, and again, I'm meeting friends in Melbourne. It's always nice.
A beautiful day. It was nice chat, nice meal. We are home and I'm drunk, I'm tired. Honey?
Hello, everybody.
I'm tired. Too much talking. I drink a lot. I drink 4 bottles of Red Horse. It was nice day chatting, catch up with my friend. Yeah. So that's it for today. It's kinda, yeah, I didn't show you much because it was all about talking and eating. It was like not much. But yeah, that was my day. It was good and we went to IKEA. We'll show you next time. Anyways, thank you for watching and see you next time. I know.